Hello guys, I missed you. Tomorrow is Monday na naman. Hi Shanika, I saw you here in BGC last week. You're so damn pretty. Aw, thank you. Tamang bakit lang. Guys, Kiefer Gerald, hello. Guys, I just watched Unhappy for You, and I must say, ang ganda niya. Like, Shanika, nag-church ka ngayon? Hindi. Anyway, ang ganda nung, hi Shanika, hi din DND, BTCH. Guys, ang ganda nung Unhappy for You. Can I just share my thoughts? Okay, so, moral of the story, wag maghabol. Like, wag maghabol. Like, for the love of God, please. Like, I've been there. I've done that. It's never gonna be good. Like, oh my God, sobrang totoo nung part na parang you're too busy chasing somebody that like you abandon yourself because you're too scared of being abandoned. So, if meron kang abandonment issues, like, just know that some people are literally in your life just to pass by. Like, sobrang, that's so real. That is so real. Na parang, bakit ba kasi na kailangan, if like we enjoy somebody's company, that we have to keep them. Like, no, it could be just like the moment, enjoy the moment is fleeting, enjoy it as it is. Like, don't try to control it. Grabe, ang ganda. Tapos, ang ganda ng story, ang unique and very realistic. Like, wala pa akong napanood na ganun yung story. Tapos, like, wag talagang ipilit. Like, ang cringe kung pinipilit mo yung isang situation. And I know that like it's Giving August by Taylor. Like, I know that we've all been in that place where like we want something so bad that like napipilit, like naghahabol ganon or something that, but honestly, something that's like meant for you, hindi mo na kailangan habulin. And that's like a struggle to accept. But, yeah. It means if like nagsa-struggle ka to accept and you're not like dealing with it in a healthy way, like you're the problem. Like, may kailangan kang patunayan because like there's some sort of deep-rooted insecurity within you. Ganon. Which is like normal to admit that like you have insecurities and stuff. But yeah, especially like ang triggering nyo sa mga may, hi ate, saka dumuningin nor naiya ako. Ang triggering nyo sa may mga abandonment issues kasi like nobody wants to be abandoned. But the healthy way of dealing with it is just like letting things be. Because like what's meant for you will come back to you, and what isn't. Hi Vic. I'm just sharing my realizations about Unhappy for You. Have you moved on from your past relationship? Of course. Now I can confidently say that I have. Before, it was like very iffy for me, but ever since my ex reached out again, everything became like so much clearer and daming energy. Everything became so much clearer and it gave me like so much peace and closure for myself. Hindi na nga, parang I needed, like it was a gift that he came back. Parang parang because he came back, I took notice on like the maturity and the growth that I had. Yeah, like I'm so happy, and I can confidently say I've moved on. Like, not a single part of me misses him or wants to get back together with him. Like before, I always had this like, what if maybe someday, maybe this time, like maybe someday pag naging na-mature na siya or whatever. Parang ngayon, it was like, wow, that was definitely a much needed lesson. Do you have a boyfriend? No. Meron akong crush though. Wala akong boyfriend, meron akong crush. Hindi ko alam kung crush ko tong crush ko dahil hindi ko alam kung ako yung may problema kung bakit ko crush tong taong to. Kasi kung iisipin ko, hindi ko dapat siya crush. Have you ever been to California? That's where I'm at. No, I've never been. What are you saying? Wow, ang daming present today. Wonder Wang Wang. Hi. Yeah, may crush ako. Pero, hindi ko dapat siya crush. Kasi una sa lahat, I don't think there's a reason para maging crush ko siya. Kasi, basta, I'm coming to the Philippines for the first time in October. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. May piercing ka po sa tenga. Awesome. Lullaby. Magtanong pa kayo. Guys, I've been so happy lately. As in, ang saya-saya ko lately. Kahapon, I went out, I went to Revel, and then the day before that, I also went to Revel. Now, I have like work-life balance. Before, even on weekends, I'm just like working, and then like, I don't go out, I don't meet people, I don't even talk to the opposite gender. Tapos para like, kailangan ng spice ng life ko. So, yun. Keep smile for us. Hi, X. Anong X? Hindi kita X. Hey, beautiful artist soul. Ano to? Ba't may filter? Bakit? What? Hindi ka na nagpupunta sa DBB? I only used to go there because... Bakit nga ba? Because... I used to date someone in that village, and also my cousins are there, but now there's no, wala naman reason to go. How are you, beautiful? I'm good, thank you. Ever dated a gay guy before? Never. That's weird. Have you tried training martial arts? I did Muay Thai. Not a fan. I'm open to trying jiu-jitsu. Maybe I like that. Parang ang saya ng jiu-jitsu eh. Kasi like, it's grappling somebody. Cutie. Hi. Look at my doggy. My little dragon. My little dragon. My little dragon. Do you watch anime? I watched Attack on Titan, pero Do you have a tattoo? Yes, I do. I watched Attack on Titan, pero okay lang. Na-bored ako nung ang tagal, ang tagal nung kasunod eh. Tapos hindi ko na pinanood yung kasunod. I remember when I was younger, I did like Inuyasha. Hi, good evening, Francis Tapuno. I might start watching House of the Dragon. I've been like obsessing on their TikTok. Insanely. Yun lang. I am an artist. Can I draw you? Sure. Airdrop mo na lang. Joke lang. Anyway, yun lang guys. I think this live is over. Wala tayong masyadong chika for today. Hi, Shani. Are you live on TikTok? No po. Sige, yun lang guys. Bye. Good night. Happy Sunday.